In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph polynomials with your graphing calculator. So when you turn on your graphing calculator, we're going to be using these buttons right here, mainly the y equals and the graph. So get on the calculator and hit the y equals button. That will bring you to this screen right here. We're going to type in this first equation, which is negative x cubed minus x squared plus 2x. To type that in, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to type in the negative, which is right here. So negative, this is the x button. Then you're going to do caret, type cubed. Then you're going to probably have to hit the right arrow to get out of the exponent. Then do minus, the x button, caret, squared. Again, you may have to hit the right arrow to get out of the exponent, and then do plus 2 and then the x. When you're done with that, typing in, you're going to come back over to the graphing features and you're going to click on the graph button, or this graph button right here. When you hit graph, you should get this image here. If yours does not go from -10 to +10, then you're not in the standard window. To get the standard window reset on your calculator, you're going to click the zoom button. So go to zoom, and when you do that, click number 6, which is zoom standard. When you hit zoom standard, it should bring you to this graph here. Now you can either do a quick sketch onto your paper, or if you want to get nice ordered pairs for this, you can select the table feature, which is right here, right above the graph. To access the word table, which is right above the graph, you're going to hit the second, and then graph, or second and then table, and you will get this feature here. And you can scroll up and down on the positive and negative x's, and it will give you various ordered pairs. So if you were asked what was the answer if x is -3, you would say, on here you're not going to see it, so let's try -2. The ordered pair is -2 and 0. When x is -1, we see -1 and -2 is the ordered pair. When x is 0, we see 0. So it will give you all the ordered pairs on this graph. You can also get different ordered pairs another way. You can actually hit the trace button. The trace button is right here. So if you hit trace, what it'll do is put an ordered pair on your graph, and you can use the left and the right arrows to travel along it. It will tell you the answers of the ordered pairs, where your x and y ordered pair values are, right there on the graph. Let's look at graphing another one. So let's go ahead and do letter B and type in to the calculator. Again, we're going to hit the y equals button, and we're going to have a blank space here. If your old equation is there, just go up and go to the calculator and hit clear. Let's type in this equation. What you're going to type is, I will write this one out. You're going to type x to the caret of 4 minus 4 times x minus 1. That will go right here. When you're ready to graph it, either remember do zoom and select standard, which is 6, or just go ahead and hit the graph button. You'll get this graph right here that we see. If you want to get values on their table for ordered pairs, again, you're going to hit second table. So to get that feature, you're going to have to go hit the second button and then select graph or table to get there, and it will give you all these various ordered pairs. So for example, one ordered pair on this graph is the ordered pair 2, 7. Another is 3, 68. You can always hit the graph button again to get back to the picture, or the y equals button to get back to typing in your equation.